Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com hourly analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, March the 8th, 2011. Well, the market began the day with a green-bodied candle, only a very small green body, but a very long shadow on the bottom of the candle as the market tested down into the top of this highlighted area of support. In the second hour of trading, we had quite a bullish candle which traded up into the cloud, and then in the third hour of trading, a breakout on a very bullish candle above the cloud. Now that is normally a buy signal with Ichimoku charts when we have that type of a breakout, especially a bullish one. But we do need to consider a few things that happened there. First was that the market broke out above a flat part of the cloud, and quite often we can get false signals, and it seems to be the case here. And we had this overhead resistance at around 1325, an area where we had very strong resistance previously, and we've seen the market test this area and just above on quite a few occasions now and sell off, and that's exactly what happened in the final hours of trading, where the market was really quite indecisive. We had this fairly large red-bodied candle, which meant that the bullishness that was in the market previously had totally evaporated, and the sellers had taken control in that hour of trading. Following that, very indecisive trading with very small candles, small bodies, and a fairly large shadow on this doji type candle. But once again, in the final hour of trading, the market tested around 1325 and found resistance there. Now, in Ichimoku chart terms, we are trading up above the cloud, so that is a positive for us in terms of where we're trading in relation to the cloud. So the market has an overall positive bias, but we can see lately that the market's been trading above the cloud and then almost immediately below, then above, then below, above, below, above. So if anything's to go by from the past, then we may see the market trading down below and testing support once again. That doesn't mean that that will happen, but we do need to be aware of that. To the upside, however, we do have strong resistance as well, so we do need to watch that. Now, the market is also trading above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so that means the market is bullish in the medium-term and fast-term time frames as well. The Kijun-sen, however, has turned flat, and we do need to be careful of that, and we may get price action trending back towards that area, and that's what happened in that second hour of trading. So the market could come back and test that area. Now, if the market does come off immediately in the first hour of trading, it will be interacting with a very thin part of the cloud, which will offer only a minimal amount of support. We do have potential support at the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are at roughly 13.18.5 and 13.15.5. And then, as I've said, very solid support down below. To the upside, solid resistance up to around this 13.33.5, 13.34 level, and above there around 13.38 and up to 13.44. So once again, a market that's not really very decisive, a market that's been testing above and below a cloud over the last few days, oscillating above and below all of the Ichimoku indicators. So we do need to be quite careful if we take any of these signals, and wait for a clear decisive move above this either this area of strong resistance or below this area of strong support.